Well, the first thing I wanted to do was shoot front of the house here to show you some of Kathy's handiwork. She's done a really nice job of fixing up the triangle here. This time of year, everything looks really nice. Now we're going to walk around back so you can hear the cicadas a little better and observe them flying around. And they've pretty much taken over our holly tree, as you'll soon see. They're all over this thing. Now there's a nice close-up of one. So if you just watch this tree for a minute, you'll see them flying around. They seem to be particularly active right now. I think they're nearing the end of their cycle, and so they're just a lot more active right now. And I'm sure you can hear them.
One just rolling in on my bathrobe. There you go. Just found him on my bath.
And they're completely harmless, of course.
Aw, aren't you cute? Okay, he's got little whiskers and everything. Yeah, I told Carol about 2 inches. Maybe they're not quite 2 inches. Okay, I can't do this much more. Tickling. But yeah, look at the way they're all gathered there, everywhere. Oh, it's pretty.
Pretty amazing how many there are on this holly tree. They're all over this thing.